Meet vitamin C, a skincare superstar. It boosts collagen, keeping skin firm and youthful. Vitamin C also fights free radicals and reduces dark spots. Find it in citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. Next, we have another powerful antioxidant that's essential for healthy skin: vitamin E. If vitamin C is like a shield against free radicals, vitamin E is like a suit of armor, providing an extra layer of protection against environmental damage, especially from the sun's harmful UV rays. UV radiation is one of the biggest culprits behind premature skin aging. Vitamin E helps to neutralize those harmful UV-induced free radicals, shielding your skin from the inside out. Vitamin E also boasts incredible moisturizing properties, strengthening the skin's natural barrier function. This is especially beneficial if you have dry, sensitive, or eczema-prone skin. You can find vitamin E in a variety of delicious foods like nuts and seeds. Think almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts. Avocados, another great source of healthy fats, also contain a good amount of vitamin E. Let's move on to vitamin A, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in healthy skin cell turnover. Our skin is constantly regenerating itself, shedding old, damaged cells to make way for new, healthy ones. Vitamin A helps to speed up this cell turnover process, ensuring that old, dull cells are sloughed away efficiently, revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. This is especially beneficial if you're dealing with acne, as it can help prevent pores from becoming clogged with dead skin cells, leading to breakouts. There are two main types of vitamin A found in our diet: retinol and beta-carotene. Retinol is the preformed version of vitamin A, found in animal products like liver, dairy products, and eggs. Beta-carotene, on the other hand, is a precursor to vitamin A, found in plant-based foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and cantaloupe. Load up on these colorful fruits and vegetables to keep your skin cells turning over and your complexion glowing. Now let's talk about a vitamin that's often overlooked when it comes to skin health: vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight exposure. Vitamin D plays a vital role in skin repair and renewal. It helps to regulate skin cell growth and differentiation, ensuring that new skin cells are healthy and functioning properly. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can be helpful in calming irritated skin and reducing redness. While sunlight is a great source of vitamin D, it's essential to practice safe sun exposure. You can also get vitamin D from certain foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, fortified milk and yogurt, and some mushrooms. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested to see if supplementation might be right for you. Next up, we're moving on to a group of vitamins that are essential for overall health, including the health of our skin: B vitamins. When it comes to our complexion, two B vitamins in particular stand out: biotin and niacin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, is often touted as the beauty vitamin due to its role in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. It helps to support the production of fatty acids, which are essential for keeping our skin hydrated and preventing dryness. Niacin, or vitamin B3, plays a key role in improving circulation, helping to deliver oxygen and nutrients to our skin cells more efficiently. This can result in a brighter, more radiant complexion. Niacin is also a potent anti-inflammatory, which means it can help calm irritated skin and reduce redness. This makes it especially beneficial for those with acne-prone or sensitive skin. Let's move on to zinc, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin. Zinc is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent, making it a true hero when it comes to fighting acne. It helps to control oil production, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of acne-causing bacteria. But zinc's benefits don't stop there. It's also crucial for wound healing, helping to repair damaged skin cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy tissue. This means it can help to speed up the healing process of cuts, scrapes, and even acne scars. Seafood lovers, rejoice! Oysters are one of the best sources of zinc. Other great sources include red meat, poultry, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Now let's talk about selenium, a trace mineral that often flies under the radar when it comes to skin health, but it plays an important role in protecting our skin from environmental damage. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing those harmful free radicals that can damage our skin cells and lead to premature aging. It works synergistically with vitamin E to enhance its antioxidant effects, forming a powerful duo that helps to shield your skin from the damaging effects of pollution, UV radiation, and other environmental stressors. Brazil nuts are a true powerhouse when it comes to selenium. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide you with your recommended daily intake. Other good sources include seafood, especially tuna and sardines, as well as eggs, brown rice, and sunflower seeds. You might be surprised to learn that iron, a mineral often associated with energy levels, plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, including to our skin cells. When our skin cells receive an adequate supply of oxygen, they function optimally, promoting cell turnover, collagen production, and overall skin health. Iron deficiency can lead to a pale, dull complexion, as well as hair loss and brittle nails. Red meat, particularly lean cuts of beef, is an excellent source of heme iron, which is the most easily absorbed form of iron. For my plant-based eaters out there, you can find iron in lentils, spinach, tofu, and fortified cereals. Pair them with a source of vitamin C to enhance absorption. Antioxidants are crucial for skin health. They protect our skin cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals cause oxidative stress, leading to aging and inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules. Fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants. Think berries, pomegranates, and leafy greens. Hydration is key for glowing skin. Water flushes out toxins and keeps skin hydrated. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Herbal teas and infused water add flavor and antioxidants. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to the vitamins and nutrients that are essential for healthy, glowing skin. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within. By incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and achieve that natural, radiant glow you've always wanted. Which of these vitamins and nutrients will you be adding to your routine? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Professional Health for more skincare tips.